Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm here with Cyndi Creatives, right?
Yep. Cyndi Seidler of Cyndi Creatives.
Okay, good. And I won a contest actually on her Facebook page, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
But it was to teach her something, and she teaches me, so this is like, it was ironic.
So Cyndi is going to teach me a pouring technique today, and I think she might be teaching herself at the same time.
Yeah, it's new.
So we're going to have some fun.
Yes, we will.
Here we go.
Yeah, and also I just want you to know that, I don't know if she said, did you say you're a mixed media girl?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, she's taking on my challenge for the day, and so we've mixed these colors.
Mm-hmm.
They're rainbow colors, and they're mixed with water only.
Yep.
No pouring medium.
Yeah, so it's going to be kind of a two-part technique, and of course we'll explain as we go.
Yes, we
and
will.
She'll explain to me as we go. She's going to be teaching me.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need your apron.
Yes.
Okay.
So here we go.
Here we go. Should we start with the base coat? Okay, so here's what we're thinking this through, because if there's no base coat and we do what I told you, we're going to have some canvas left areas, and we don't want canvas
You know
areas.
what? I'm the student.
I know.
I'm going to do what you say.
This could be the wrong move, but we don't want canvas areas showing, so let's cover it.
Okay.
But a thin coat, not.
So a
we
base
don't need
coat
a lot.
on the entire canvas?
Yeah, but
Okay,
not. We don't need a lot.
Okay. Go in a
So
circle
it could be
like
pretty
Cyndi.
thin, yeah.
And we
Our
got
handy dandy,
spatulas.
yeah. And it just needs to be a thin coat so that I'm thinking at least we won't have canvas
Right.
showing. It's not so important on the top where we're actually going to be pouring the paint. I should have just said that.
Sounds good.
I've got paper towels.
Is this good?
Yeah, that's a good coverage. As I said, it doesn't need to be a whole lot.
Yeah. Tilt
All
a
right.
little bit. Oh, you tape the bottoms and everything.
I
You're so
did.
fancy.
I did.
So fancy.
I figure if it comes out really good, we'll want to keep these, you know.
Yeah.
So we want to have
I've
it
kept
nice.
actually quite a few of my collab paintings.
Oh, good. You torch your baby
This is
first.
a pretty torch.
Well, it's like yours. I copied
But mine's
you.
just silver. Yours
Well,
has red on it.
I copied you. Whatever you were doing when
That's
I
a
first
good
started
torch.
watching your videos, I ran out and got.
Okay.
Okay, I got out my bubbles.
I'm excited.
We're good. Oh.
All right, now we get in the colors, yeah?
Yeah, so just start grabbing colors.
Okay. I'm going to watch you do it first.
Oh, no.
And then I copy you.
Oh, no.
You're the teacher.
Oh. Shoot. All right. Well.
All right, you start with orange, I'll start with yellow.
Yeah.
Why not? Okay. So we're going to go in an arc here.
There we go. Oh, my arc isn't even. Red.
These paper cups are good because you can
Yeah.
bend them.
My arc isn't that even.
Well, I think it'll be okay.
Yellow.
All right, so we're overlapping the colors here, Bet.
Well, yes and no. I did, and it wasn't intentional.
Oh, okay.
But I think we shouldn't.
Okay, so kind of more stripes.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? I may be teaching you how to do my plan, but I've never done this before. So I think let's just teach each other something here.
Okay. I think
This
we're
is something that neither one of us have done before in terms of the overall plan of it.
right. I feel like I might have more pink than you. I
No.
don't know that it matters, so we'll find out, I guess.
So do we not want white in there? We do white, but I'm just thinking. Okay, so we're going to move our paintings. Now, oh, that's really pretty. That'd make a pretty skin, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just going to spray with water the bottom part. Or no, all of it. All of it, right? Let's just go for all of it.
Okay.
Because we can re-pour paint.
We're going to have to show the doggy on the camera later so they know who's making all this noise in the background. Okay, spray.
Use a lot more spray.
Spray a lot.
A lot. You know, I'm going to need to spray it as it's going down.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to stop. And, oh, it's kind of pretty. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. See, now you're going to want to spray. See how it does that?
Yeah.
The fractals or whatever you call that. It's such a cool effect.
Now, one thing I love about Cyndi, you guys, is she tries all kinds of crazy things. Like, who would have thought of doing this craziness?
Oh, you've got, how come you got, oh, I got cells too. Oh my gosh, look at we getting cells. Okay, now we got to turn it back toward us. Oh, you know what, that's so pretty as it is. How come I got the green on the top and yours is so much prettier?
Did I do good, teacher?
You did a good job.
You think we should tilt it the other way?
Well, here's my idea.
Okay.
Because I want it to look like a dripping rainbow.
Right.
My idea, and this is so pretty, I don't want to ruin it, is to put another layer of paint and swipe it.
Okay. But do we want to have any, we don't want to have drips above it, right? Okay, I get it. Yeah, let's do that.
Because this is so pretty. I don't know what would happen if we went that way. Although it's a clever idea, but it's not my vision.
Yeah, so we'll go with your vision.
All right, so let's go for another thin layer, I think, because we're going to swipe this, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
All right, that's red. Oops. I went orange, I think. Looks pretty without swiping it.
Right.
We're going to need paper towels handy for the swipe.
So I've learned
from
both of these times that I don't pour evenly. I go up on the left a little.
I think the blue at the top. I'm just going to do.
Yeah, I tried to actually go some sort of colors of the rainbow in order.
Yeah, I didn't.
Oh.
I should have followed. I should have copied you.
No.
I forgot red. Where's red? Oh, there it is. It's hiding.
Yeah,
a little more. A little more. I like to water the end of mine. Do you do that?
I don't normally, but we can.
Okay, there you go.
Let me make sure this is wide enough. I might do it like this.
Okay, I'm going to do like that, but I don't want to get it on your painting when I'm done.
Okay.
So I'm going to move over here.
Sounds good.
And here we go. Oh, look at how clever we are.
I'm hoping for one swipe.
Oh, but it didn't go off the end. I mean,
in the corner?
Yeah, mine didn't. Mine, yeah, yours is much better.
No.
It's because you cheated.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to ruin it. Watch.
That's just
it muddied it.
Blend the colors a bit more.
Oh, okay, this is. But you know what? Look at what's popping through.
Yeah.
Oh, yours is so much prettier.
I said let it sit for a minute and see what happens.
Oh, I'm jealous. I'm going to take. Oh, look at this. This is just a mess.
Here.
No, it's all muddy.
Clean.
It's all muddy. I need yellow in here. It needs to be brightened up.
You maybe add a little white too.
Yeah, I didn't put white in mine.
I put a little white.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, that's why I cheated.
I knew you cheated.
I know.
All right, so this is going to brighten it up because I muddied the blue and the green together, didn't I? What else do I need? Marcy, red. Thank you.
Yeah. A little more red, maybe a little white, and then I think you're good.
Where do I need the red? Down here?
Yeah.
Where it's muddy?
That's good.
And white. You said white.
Yeah.
I didn't put any white in it before.
This is crazy.
Isn't it?
Yeah, definitely different. Although I am going to do one thing.
Yours is so pretty.
I'm just gonna swipe
that.
down here.
Remember, I was going to challenge you to use the airbrush.
Yeah.
This is too pretty for an airbrush.
You think?
Yours is. Mine isn't. I want you to do mine.
Oh no.
I'm going to show you. Because mine didn't come out as pretty as yours.
So I've never used an airbrush, you guys.
That's right.
So Cyndi's trying to...
This was my challenge to her, but you know what? Hers came out so pretty. I would not touch that with a 10-foot pole. So here we have... You could also use a regular hair dryer to kind of blow out this way.
Mm-hmm.
But because she's never used this before, I'm going to show her that all you do, so we turn it on, it's going to be noisy. This, when you push down, produces the airflow.
Mm-hmm.
You hold it high, it's a little more controlled. If you hold it down, it's going to splatter.
Okay.
But splattering is okay, because I don't mind it splattering down here. I think it would be cool, a cool effect.
So you think I should blow it like this?
I'm thinking that, and then spray a little bit down that way for splatters.
Okay.
But try not to cover up too much of that.
There goes nothing, you
play
guys.
with it. If she ruins it, it's okay, because I already messed it up.
Okay. That like got over
Yeah,
there.
get closer. You'll feel the difference. You'll see as it starts to flow. There you go. Look at that.
I did it.
Isn't that pretty? See, that produces a great effect.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't it? Oh, my gosh. And then you can even add more color and continue blowing. This is pretty.
So I don't want to
I love the splattering.
Yeah.
Don't you?
I'm trying to control
I know.
splattering down
Okay,
there.
this is called collaboration because I gotta put a little yellow in here for her to splatter. Because it needs yellow over here.
Okay.
Okay, splatter that.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know about controlling the...
I know
There we
it's
go.
harder.
It's like it splatters when I don't want it to necessarily.
I know.
And then if I'm trying to make it splatter, it doesn't.
Oh, that's really pretty.
There we go.
I love that. See what it's doing?
Yeah, that's what I was
To
trying to
me,
do that whole time.
that is what I go for. That
Look at your cells in there. That's almost like a bloom. Like a mini bloom.
It is.
All right, how do we feel about that?
I love it because I like this
Mm-hmm.
and I like the splatter. Hang on, can't talk over that. This is ready for a close-up. Look, we got a big bubble.
You got a lot of bubbles.
Huge. Oh, look, we're bringing out more cells. Look at this. She's great. I think she's used this airbrush before, you guys, but she's lying to me.
I should get one of these.
I know. This is so... You did... Look at this.
Yeah, that's like bloom.
It is.
And I like the freckles.
It's very similar use for me on that mini blower. You know how you and I've used the mini blower.
Yeah, the world's smallest blower.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it has more of a controlled blow.
This
Hair
is more
dryer.
force.
Hair dryer just blows it
everywhere.
everywhere.
Yeah, you
right?
need bigger canvases really for a hair dryer.
Yeah, and so when you got something small like this, oh look at this.
They should go together.
Oh, I'm so happy that both came out gorgeous. Wow.
This is the rainbow in the morning, and then it's getting stormy.
Yes,
and
stormy.
Raining again.
Oh, they're gorgeous. Okay, I'm selling mine for $5,000 because it's got Marcy all over it. You know what I'm saying?
Mine's on sale for $4,000, you guys. So, all right, close up.
All right, let's do a close up.
Okay, guys, there's a close up. So this is Cyndi's.
And yours.
Yeah, my first time using an airbrush. Look at these patterns in there, and these are like almost like little mini blooms that got created with that airbrush, which is crazy. So really fun with the rainbow colors and the drips, and we got some splatters down here. Cyndi's definitely a wild one. If you haven't checked out her channel yet, do so. She does some of the most inventive techniques I have ever seen. So this one's mine. We got lots of kind of crazy cells in here that are like, let's call these cauliflower cells. That's what I'm going to call them. I just came up with that myself. We got drips and then the fun swipe up here. All right, guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this, something new, something fun. Please make sure that you go over to Cyndi's channel and subscribe. Tell her I sent you. Check out some of her awesome content, and I'll see you all next time.